Stative Verbs.
Hello. Los verbos de estado son verbos que describen un estado, una condición, una emoción, una opinión o una posesión, en lugar de una acción.
Por lo general, no se usan en los tiempos continuos.
Sin embargo, algunos verbos como be, have, think y see pueden utilizarse en forma continua cuando tienen un significado diferente.
Ejemplos de stative verbs.
Know, believe, understand, remember, forget, mean.
Love, like, hate, prefer, want, need. See, hear, smell, taste, seem. Have, own, belong. Be, exist, contain, include. Let's see how this works in the story. Let's go.
Good morning, Connie.
Hi.
Hi,
How are you today?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm fantastic.
It's a beautiful day.
Yes, I love sunny mornings.
Me too. I don't like rainy weekends.
I prefer sunny days. They make me feel happy.
So far, we've seen 5 stative verbs. It is a beautiful Saturday morning.
Be,
I love sunny mornings.
Love.
I don't like rainy weekends. Like, I prefer sunny days. Prefer.
she feels happy.
Feel.
Can I ask you something? Of course. Why are you all smiling? We're just happy. I don't believe you.
Look. Those flowers are beautiful.
Nice try. I know something is happening
Why do you think that?
because I know all of you. You're acting differently today.
Maybe you're imagining things.
No, I don't think so.
Connie!
Did I hear my name?
No! You didn't hear your name.
Really?
Yes.
I don't understand. What is going on? I want to know the truth. Sometimes waiting is a good idea. I don't like surprises. Really? I love surprises. Only when I know they're coming.
I have an idea.
I want to hear your idea.
I think we need to buy a few things.
I agree. We need food for tonight.
I think we also need some decorations.
Why do you need decorations?
I mean, decorations for the house.
I think we should split into 2 groups.
I don't understand. We 3 are going to the supermarket while you 3 go to buy the movie tickets for tonight. I thought we were going together. I know, but I think 2 groups are better.
I agree. We need the tickets, and they need the groceries.
I know we need balloons, candles, and a cake.
I think we also need some chocolate.
I love chocolate, so I think that is a good idea.
I know Connie loves chocolate too.
I remember that she likes chocolate cake.
I think she will love this cake.
I want the cake to be perfect.
I understand. Connie deserves a special birthday.
I believe she will be surprised.
I know she is suspicious, so we need to be careful.
I think we have everything now.
I see the candles over there. I want the blue ones because I know she likes blue.
I agree. They are perfect.
I want to know why we need movie tickets today. I think watching a movie is a good idea. I like movies, but I prefer knowing the reason.
I know you like surprises sometimes.
I only like surprises when I know about them.
I think that is a little strange.
I don't care. I like knowing things. I understand you. Let's choose the movie.
What stative verbs can you remember from the story? Believe, think, want, like, understand, prefer, love, remember, agree, need, have, see, deserve, care, hear. Recuerda, los stative verbs normalmente no se usan en los tiempos continuos porque describen un estado, no una acción.
I know the answer. She loves music. We have 2 cats.
Incorrecto.
I am knowing the answer. She is loving music. We are having 2 cats. Excepción importante. Algunos stative verbs sí pueden usarse en tiempos continuos cuando cambian de significado. I have a car. I am having lunch. I think you're right. I am thinking about my vacation. I see a mountain. I am seeing my friends tonight.
Happy birthday, Connie!
I can't believe you did all this for me.
We know how much you love birthdays.
We wanted everything to be special.
I think you deserve the best birthday.
I know you love chocolate cake. I remember that you prefer blue decorations.
I love everything. I feel so happy right now. I believe this is the best surprise for you. I know you planned everything together.
We wanted you to have a wonderful birthday.
I think we have the best friend in the world. I love all of you.
Let's look at another rule. Be normalmente es un stative verb, por lo que no suele usarse en tiempos continuos. She is happy. She is being happy. ¿Cuándo sí usamos being? Usamos being cuando hablamos del comportamiento temporal de una persona, no de una característica permanente. You are being rude. He is being very polite today. Why are you being so quiet? One more time. If the verb describes a state, use a simple tense. If it describes an action, a continuous tense may be possible. I know the answer. She loves music. They own a house. I'm thinking about my homework. We are having dinner. She is being very friendly today. Good job. See you next time.
Bye.
Subscribe to learn more English with us.